Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am gonna tell you a very informative thing. So just watch full video and pay focus on every word, on every line that I am gonna tell you. So let's start to tell you. So what I am gonna tell you now, that how you can create an automated blog. You may have listened many times that how to create a blog thing, then creating content and then uploading them on the blog. Everyone knows about it, you know, because but there's a lot of work. Like first you have to create a blog. Like okay, it's very simple. You can create in just 2 minutes. But after that, creating content is not easy. It's very difficult. If you are a beginner, then it's could be a big deal for you. Then how to create content? First, you will have to learn how to create content. Then after that, you will have to write your own content, and your content should be unique. It should not be similar to any other blog. So it's a very big thing that to write content from your own, means your own thoughts, your own views, and your own information that should not be similar to anyone. And after that, doing SEO of the blog. So there are so many steps. So that's why I'm gonna tell you about one thing, that you can create your own automated blog. And what is automated blog? I want to tell you that if you create an automated blog, then there are so many big websites. Content will be automatically uploaded on your website from big sites, like whatever big site you connect with your blog. The content will be automatically published on your site. Whenever there is a post on the big site, uh, there will be a post auto published on your blog. So I hope you have understood, or if you did not understand yet, then you will understand in just few minutes. So what you have to do, first step, you have to create your own blog first. If you don't know how to create a blog, you are going to create blog first time, then you can check my website about you can check my previous video, in which I have told how you can create your own blog. The next step, you have to add your domain, custom domain. So if you have already one domain, then you can create subdomain and you can add to the website, because it looks professional and saves your money, and it becomes more professional than buying another domain. So second step is this, and third step, you have to uh, enable the automated service. You have to connect your blog to another big website, means the main step you need to start. So let's see how you can do this. So guys, this is the website I'm showing you on the screen, ifttt.com. Yeah, this is the service that you have to use to start automation. So how you can do this? This is IFTTT website. First you have to create your own account here. There's nothing to do much. I'm showing you how you can create your own account. Like you can type here IFTTT sign up. Okay, then search it, and you will be redirected to the page get started. Here you can create your own account. Simply click on sign up button, and there is no long process, so you don't have to fill so much entries. You just have to fill 2 entries, like your email address and your password. After that, sign up and your account will be created. In the next step, you can just log in. So first thing, you please confirm your account by the email. And second step, you have to log in again here. How to log in? IFTTT login. Okay, so you can click on the login button, then you will be logged in here. Okay, so now let's see how to connect your blog to website. So what you have to do, you are going to connect your blog with the website through RSS feed. So first you have to find a valid RSS feed. If you don't know how to find a valid RSS feed, you can check out my video I have uploaded to find out any valid RSS feed, so you can check out. You can also watch the description box where you can find the link. If you don't find the link, then please check out my videos related to blogging. You will find. So what you have to do now, this is your you will find this screen after login. So just create my applets. One second. So guys, you will find this page when you will click on these three lines, and you will find below at the bottom create button. So just click here, and now you have to click on if this at select search here for RSS new feed item. So click on connect. So here you have to fill your RSS feed URL. If you don't know, I am telling again, if you don't know how to find RSS feed URL, check out my website. In the blogging section you will definitely find your RSS feed URL and fill it here. Okay, as you are watching, create trigger. After creating trigger, you have to click on then that add blogger. So there are two options, create a post, create a photo post. If you want only photo post, no text, create the bell one. But I am clicking here on create a post because I want text and images both. So this is the final page. Title, body, labels. In title there will be the title of the article, body, entry content, feed title, entry URL, okay, and labels. So now you have to click on create action. So guys, click on continue, and if you want to receive notification whenever there happens any action, whenever this applet runs, then click here. It will be enabled, but I am disabling it because I don't want to be disturbed again and again when the applet runs. Okay, so now click on finish. So guys, now your blog has been connected with the website, RSS, whatever you fit. You're watching, it is connected, and now the post will be automatic published on your blog whenever there is whenever there comes any article on the website, another website. So while there is 90% chance that it will work, but sometimes if it doesn't work, then you can check your activity here on this page, view activity. You can click here view activity, and you can check here that applet is turned on, and if it works, if it publish any article on your blog, then that activity will be visible to you here, and every activity that happens on this applet will be visible to you here on this page. So guys, that's it. You have to do only this once. So you have to do, as I told you have to do it once only, but it will work lifetime. It will send articles on your website lifetime. So this is wonderful automation, must try it, and be connected for more informative videos. And if you want to get videos every time I publish, if you want to be updated with informative news I publish here on my channel every time you want to be notified, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will meet my next video with some other cool information. Till then, bye bye, take care.